sit and watch what this shit's gonna really want to do.
It wants to, but every time it tries to, it just goes away.
Yep, it's just missing one little ingredient.
I have enough shear.
I almost want to go out on a limb and say it's pulling so much hail and precipitation through this inflow, it keeps suffocating itself. I mean, it's got enough rotation to do something, but I don't think it has enough rotation to sustain, you know, good rotation in heavy rain and hail like that.
And it looks beautiful on camera.
See that, buddy? That's trying to be a tornado right there.
Wow.
You see that big?
Hail's just getting bigger.
That's not necessarily good. That shows that the updraft's getting stronger.
Harder rotation.
How far east on 33 are you?
I'm on Country Road North 2050.
Headed north south.
Why not get this cheese going?
And east and west. Are you headed east?
Yes, east.
Don't say east.
I have a really good view of it right now.
Yeah, sit back, bud.
Still think you're in the danger zone on that one.
to get a nastier hook on it now. New hook.
For the update on the new switch regard. I don't know which way I'd go. Probably stay right there. Before.
Auburn too. I'm back, you guys.
Hey, what's up, Adam?
Very, very rapid rotation, lower into the ground now.
I would head east towards Butler.
That's what I'm doing there.
This is definitely starting to get more organized again.
Hey, stop.
Sitting at 33 Country Road 270 and get rapidly wrapping rain curtains right in front of me across the street in the field. I do not feel unsafe. I actually feel pretty good right here.
If you feel good, rock it, brother. Just keep your escape routes like you got. You sound good. New big hook coming together north of Hammond.
Hey, Erica, you guys doing okay?
Yep, doing good.
Fourth.
That's not the way. Stop. Oh, well.
Yep, all good. What's your status out there, brother? You good?
Yeah, just watching this funnel decide if it wants to come down or not.
Oh my gosh. I just looked at Connor Croft's video. That is a beautiful song. Holy crap.
That Arnold's on a really nice. Did you see that? You watching that too, aren't you, Eric? That is a nice storm. Wow.
That's the same one that we got a chaser on, guys. That's big time.
Right. That is one nice view. Wow.
Still have the rotation just outside my left window, a little bit forward of me.
Be advised, Unit 30 is making a play for home base to get on the computer and monitor radar as well. Copy that.
Hard, RFT, this thing's really trying right now.
Not be disappointed. Oh, please be careful. It is right there.
I'm gonna get up here to the top of the hill where I get a good vantage point, watch it go away again and get behind it.
It's definitely starting to rotate a little more south than what I thought it would be.
Hey, Erica, Code Red, have you looked at chat lately? We need a Code Red lockdown.
There's trying again. Reed Timmer just passed me on 33 headed east.
Stay near them, but definitely don't stay on his ass.
I would definitely be getting out of there a little bit.
As long as he is in view, if he sees Reed Timmer, as long as he is in viewing range of Reed, and you're behind him and you can see everything he's doing, stay in good distance of them, because if you see Dominator, you already know, don't follow in with him. But if you're outside of his safe range, you'll be okay. Don't go past anything what you see any other chasers that are with him, because it's not just. But they won't. I'm proud of you, man. That's how you're supposed to chase right here. You're right there front row, you're being safe, you got your route plan, and we got your back, so. Absolutely, man. Heck yeah.
Hey, there went Tiv. Rapid rotation, funnel dead ahead of me.
Okay, I am so excited for you right now, dude. I can literally taste it. Stay right where you're at. Watch your ass. You're gonna have to go down, brother.
Hey, Blake, we're gonna now hit you with the costume. Unknown yet, but we're gonna on my south end, looks like we have foam storms near the wind field.
I'm not seeing any storms near Winfield, so, but there are definitely some bow echo storms headed towards Wichita, so be careful. also we have that new severe just south of this storm. It's starting to get wicked looking already.
Yeah, this thing's got nasty hail in it right now. Definitely some nice rotation. Rotation couple is starting to get more defined.
Yeah, big time. Probably the most defined I've seen it yet.
This is a Lincoln Mill transmission system. I'm on live now.
I'll cover that.
Same for maintain channel temperature for sure life.
Hey, Richie or one of the admins, I just signed into my new messenger. Can you guys add me to the 4 states chat?
10-4 standby. Rapid rotation there now, just north of Butler. Just barely north of Butler.
Roger that. I'm watching it now. I'm kind of keeping an eye on it because it's hitting close to home where my father's at. So
10-4. Yeah, once we get a chance, we'll get you added back in town.
copy.
If you have people in Custer City, Arapahoe, Weatherford, they need to be starting to take shelter.
Already called my dad. He's in shelter right now. He's actually at Swassee.
Okay, I'm in nearly clear air now. I had a really hard RFD surge. Headed toward Butler now.
Coming out of the Congo, and across the Customs. 10-4, copy that.
10-4 rotations approaching northeast Butler now at this point. And yes, I agree, you're probably going to be dealing with pretty aggressive RFD on this one for sure.
Yeah, solid copy.
Sirens going off in Butler and tree damage on Main Street in Butler.
Definitely more defined right now. It's starting to really rock up.
Yeah, I'm going to stick on 33 and keep headed east. It looks like it's just paralleling it. Yeah, a lot of tree damage here. That RFD was no joke.